Good morning, OPOS. We'll be doing a C4P10 appetizer today, an extension of roasted vegetables. Let me start the timer. Add a tablespoon of oil just to cover the base, and lots of butter, as much as you like. Now what we do is we'll take the potatoes and crush them like this. Almost every vegetable can be converted into a roasted version of itself. Mix in some basic sauces, some chili sauce, some mayonnaise, some tomato sauce, and it will become an appetizer. Try to keep the shape almost intact, even though it is crushed. So the loading should take you a couple of minutes, 6 to 7 minutes of cooking, and you have a 10-minute appetizer ready. Just add as a single layer. I think that should be good enough. Nama, avloda. Close panite. The work is done. It just takes 2 minutes of work. And 5 to 6 minutes of cooking. The whole series of vegetables can be converted into appetizers by just following this template. It'll take you a couple of minutes to load. Hang around doing nothing for the next 5 to 6 minutes. And this will be good enough as a starter. This is good enough as a starter for around 4 adults or so. Roasted potato. Crushed and roasted potato. So we'll do a series of appetizers based on roasted vegetables. Quite a few vegetables can be converted into appetizers. And these would be lovely snacks, especially for your kids. பெரியவர்களும் சாப்பிடலாம், குழந்தைகளும் விரும்பி சாப்பிடுவார்கள். ஏம்மா? சால்ட் பெப்பர் கொஞ்சம் கொடுக்குறீங்களா? சால்ட் பெப்பர். So mix in whatever spice powders after this is cooked. You can strain out the excess oil or just mix it along with the sauces and use it as a dipping sauce. Broccoli, cauliflower, capsicum, sweet corn, baby corn, squash, zucchini, cauliflower, everything can be converted into a roasted version of itself. Cherry tomatoes, baby carrots, Brussels sprouts, fresh peas, anything. Lots of vegetables can be converted into their roasted versions and be served as appetizers. So this is just an extension of lesson 2 without a water buffer. And you can vary the cuisine by just varying the sauces mixed in. If you want to convert it into an Indian version, just mix in a bit of chaat masala, If you want to convert it into a Chinese version, mix in some chili sauce, some soy sauce. If you want to convert it into an Italian version, mix in maybe some balsamic vinegar, mixed herbs. If you want to convert it into a French version, mix in some mayonnaise. If you want to convert it into a Mediterranean version, mix in some aioli. Into an Arab version, mix in some tahini, anything. So just vary the sauce and you can jump cuisines. The same template holds good for any cuisine across the world. And let it go for around 4 to 5 whistles, so that the potatoes get nicely roasted. That's one. That's two. Three. Four. Five. I let it go for a couple of more whistles just for the heck of it. 6, 7, 8. You can see some white smoke coming. It means that light charring has started. So 10 whistles, switch off. You can let the pressure settle. In case of potatoes, I'm not going to make you wait. I'll release the pressure. You might expect to see some light charring. If you do not want it, increase the buffer. Light charring is desired in recipes where you want a smoked flavor, like roasted vegetables. You can strain out the excess oil if you like. Look at that. You can strain this out if you like. And just strain out the oil or mix it along with the sauces into a kind of a dipping sauce. Mix in a bit of pepper and the mixed herbs. Some salt, some tomato ketchup, some chili sauce, any combination of sauces you like. Mayonnaise if you have mayonnaise, pesto, some mixed herbs. And that will be your crushed and roasted potato appetizer. Look at that. Beautiful, no? Try this out and please post your validations. Thank you very much.